Open source Hong Kong. Open source Hong Kong. From the first small web page to the road ahead.
Okay. So why I would like to try to play this song successfully? Because this song is about the history of the open source community in Hong Kong for last 20 years. Today I would like to thanks for our co-organizers, Hong Kong Quota, Hong Kong Linux User Group, HKIIT, and Open Source Hong Kong as well. So we all of us are volunteer actually. Thanks for the volume. So HKIIT provide 4 lecture theater and also some classroom upstairs. But because we find that we don't have many participants today, so we only use the lecture theater today here. And thanks for our silver sponsor, ExpressVPN, and bronze sponsor, Y Missions. And thanks for our patrons, Amanda, Anthony, Dick, Adon, and Tom, and Anthony, and us. Okay. So thanks for our communities to join the open source conference today. So some of them are overseas community actually. So thanks for our organizing committee, Harry, Kingman, Kolawa, Wono, me, Sammy, and also team. So actually they prepare for this conference from March this year. So just like our recording team, so Harry find out how to enhance the existing recording architecture, and then he tried to teach the people how to use the OBS stereos, and we hope that if you're interested to try to help, or you want to use the OBS in other events, you can contact us, and then we will try again to arrange another workshop to teach you how to use this software, and also some of Harry's equipment as well. So we have some design proposal made by our OC Ronald, and so he designed a conference T-shirt and also pull-up banner as well. And so this 5 of our 6 organizing committee, and also me. So also thanks for our session hosts to help us to manage in different chat as well. And thanks for our program committee. Actually, in this conference, most of our talk is through the call for proposals process, and then program committee will read over 60 proposals this year to select I think 20 of them to give the speech at this conference, except the keynote and also maybe 1 to 2 presentation. Actually, I accept them to fill in some empty slot as well. So some of our program committee are actually living overseas, yeah, and also some of them have a doctorate degree, yeah, something like that. So the last slide I would like to talk about is what is next in after this conference. in 2026. So what can you try to do is you can join our uh, and also fans conference and events in Hong Kong and also in Asia as well. Just like in August 8 to 9 in Taipei, they have the largest open source conference, HKOSCon, at the Taipei. Is over 3,000 participants, and also you can join the PyCon Hong Kong this year in November. Okay. And also, Open Source Hong Kong also run some monthly meetup, and also Hong Kong Python user group have also run some meetups, and Hong Kongese user group run some seasonal meetups, and also have some other just like Loot have some small meeting. So you can find it online, and also try to subscribe to different Facebook page, social network, and also you can subscribe Open Source Hong Kong newsletter as well. Um, and, and also you can join existing community, try to be a presenter, try to be an organizer of the meetups, or some or help us to do some other tasks as well. And also we are always welcome you to give some idea. You can start some new open source community for some open source project. So if you would like to start some new open source communities, please tell us so we can help you to promote to others. So this is how we can expand the open source community in the world. So thanks for your coming, and we hope to see you again at the Open Source Conference next year.